So guys, I promised Sally's corner that the money that she sent, I was going to buy oven with it. So yesterday I had to get this oven. This is 30 liters oven, and I want us to unbox it this morning. You can see the oven that I got. So here is it. It's a new oven. It has two burner at the top, and here is the switch. This is the temperature switch. This side for the burners. If you want on the two burners, if you want on the right burner, the left burner. This one is for the top heating, bottom and top and bottom heating. This is the timer. This is the inside. It has this. I don't know why this is dusty. It has been in their store anyway for a long time. The wrap. This is the tray. To the inside. It's 30 liters oven. So I hope I get what I want. So I'm going to try it. I'm going to test run it and know how. It has a double. The glass cover is double. It has a double glass cover, so the heat is going to be okay. And it has three. I think I'm seeing it has three heating elements under. You see, it has three. 1, 2, 3. Three heating elements, both top and bottom. It has three elements. So this is a product of Russell Hobbs. So guys, tell me, how much do you think this oven should cost, so that I can compare with the price that I got it. So I want to also, like I said before, I want to use the opportunity and say thank you to Sally's Corner for coming through for me for this one. So I thought that the money would be enough to get me a blender, but the price of blenders now are something else. So I couldn't get the money was not enough for me to get blender. But I'm so happy that I was able to get this oven, at least 30 liters. At least I can use it to start something, maybe my content and some other little things that I can do with it. So guys, I'm just test running it now. I've not decided where to place it in the kitchen there. I'm just test running it in the main room. So I just put the timer to think 80, right? 80. Then I set the bigger heating element. The bigger burner, something like that, or hot plate. And I set the temperature to 230. So I want to just use it to boil water now. So I don't know. I want to use it and boil water. Let's see. This time, it will be ticking and be going back until it will get back to 0. Then it will stop. I wasn't done boiling the water before they took the this is it. You can see just a few minutes anyway, and water is almost boiling. The water is almost boiling.